Alright guys, we got another Ozark Trail here, the 7-inch folding knife. I think this one's spring assist, stainless steel blade and aluminum handle, or aluminium. Looks like it's got some kind of lock on it. Let's get into it and take a look. We'll use another little Ozark Trail here to get into the thing. And this thing's in here good and tight. Get in there. Alright, let's take a look at this one. Pull its little thingamajig off. Curious to see the blade centering after the Buck Duke 500's nasty blade centering and terrible grind. Look at that grind. Disgusting, isn't it? Terrible, terrible. Anyway, I'm doing what you guys said and returning this. That'll be going back to Buck. Never returned a knife back to them. It's a shame. It's actually a very nice knife if it was executed properly, but this one isn't. But yeah, I'll have to find out how to send a knife back to Buck. Everybody hates returning knives. I've only returned a couple in my time. Normally I hold on to them, but $100 for that and the terrible, terrible grind. No thank you. Alright, let's take a look at the what you get for $7 something from Ozark, which is quite up there for Ozark. Normally they're $5 something, but this one's got aluminum handles. Got a bit of jimping at the back here. Guess you could put a lanyard around the barrel spacer there. I don't know. That locks. Yeah. We got that. It's got good grip, that thing. Let's see how it works. Alright, so we got the liner lock, which yeah, that's pretty nice, isn't it? And we'll lock that. Yeah, does it stop the liner lock going over? Not really. Not really. What is the point in that? Does it stop it folding on your fingers? Yes, it does. It would fold that far and not actually get to your fingers. So let's unlock it without that on there. Oh yeah, spring assist. Already forgot. Yeah, pretty neat. Now look at the grind on this Ozark. That nice hollow grind there. I love Ozark's hollow grind. Nice wedge at the front. It's not too pokey, but it's okay. It is sharp though, nice and sharp. Sharper than a buck. And that grind is even all the way along there. Much better grind than on the Buck. Sad to say, but that's the truth of it. So here we go. We've got thumb flippers, thumb studs on the side. Let's see if I can. Don't really do anything because it's spring assist. You could open it that way, I guess. Doesn't really work. The thumb studs on this do not really work. But the flipper does. There's no knurling on the flipper at all. But it works pretty good enough. Let's try on these thumb studs again. Can't believe I put thumb studs on. Well, yeah, you can get it. You can get it. Bit of practice, I guess. Yeah. I've been really pleased with all the Ozarks. Thumb studs are not much cop on this one, though, I've got to say. Let's take a look at some dimensions. I mean, it says 7-inch folding knife on the package, so we've got what, 4 inches closed. Let's take a look at the blade. We've got a 3-inch blade overall with a cutting edge Yeah, cutting edge is 3 inches as well, because the handle comes out up here. Yeah, it's got 3-inch cutting edge, very nice. Compare that to the buck. The buck is supposed to be 3 inches, but it comes in short. Look at that. I think they've messed up on the grind so bad they actually shortened the blade on this, but anyway. Nice looking knife, but going back to buck. Sad to say. Ozark will be a keeper. My $7 Ozark, $100 buck. Yeah, flipper tab works good on this. Let's weigh it, see what it weighs. It's heavier than most of my other bucks. Most of my other Ozarks, sorry. What you use? 3.5 ounces. Not bad, not bad. Let's see what. Yeah. Anyway, $7. Not my favourite Ozark, but it ain't bad. It ain't bad. Yeah, that lock stops it from going any further than that. That's what happens there. Ah, I see what happens. It blocks the flipper tab. That's what it does. Blocks that flipper tab there. See that? So that's your safety. Blocks the flipper tab. Liner lock. Spring assist. Not a bad little pocket knife. Another one for the Ozark collection. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you later.